Hi, Taurus. Let's see what are the messages that come out for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Oopsie, we'll keep it like that. Ace of Swords, wow. Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Ace of Swords, the Hanged Man, the World, Queen of Cups, Four of Wands, Ten of Cups, the Hermit, Ace of Wands, the Magician. Wow. Okay. The card at the bottom of the deck is Five of Swords. Taurus, I'll keep it right here. Just shift the cards this side so that you can also have a look. Taurus, I feel that you're going to be getting some kind of communication regarding a connection, a job, or something. For some of you, it could be a job, a new beginning. Where in the past you were surrounded by people who just believed in taking and being sneaky. Um, you're getting out of that energy. But if it's not that story, if it's not your story, then I'll tell you something. There is another possibility of you starting a job with somebody, a firm, where you could find some sneaky people who may or may not be good for your work environment. And you might feel a little stuck, as if there was no point of changing your previous job and then coming to a place where the situation was exactly the same. It could be that, but rest assured that your situation will improve. If you're facing this right now, facing this stagnation when it comes to work, Taurus, um, it'll change, don't worry. Your boss could be somebody, either they will be replaced or they could have a transformation when it comes to their attitude and the way of dealing with things. They might go through a transformation, which in turn will lead to a healthy bond between you and your boss, because she will then become like a mother figure, a mentor. So this is not the story for everyone. So take however it resonates with you, Taurus. Now this was one part. So there could be another possibility. For some of you, I feel there is a new beginning when it comes to a love union. And probably this is a slow love union where you are trying to, get some kind of stability, get out of something which was not stable at all. Probably you were with somebody who just took from you, hurt you, and made you feel defeated. But now you're getting out of that energy. Most of you have already gotten out of it, Taurus. And what I feel is that you're headed towards stability and a concrete love union. You might you might find yourself feeling a little lost, also at a loss of ideas, or you might feel that you're not thinking straight when it comes to love. But rest assured that this love union, if you guys are going in for a marriage or something like that, it's going to be one of the best things that you've done. Trust me, it's going to lead to a very happy ending. And it could be a Virgo that you're involved with, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or an Aries. You could be involved with an Aries or a Gemini. And trust me, whatever, however lost and uncomfortable you felt in the past, this new person or whoever this is that you're going to be starting this new journey with, they are going to make you feel um, loved, cared for, and it'll be like a wish fulfillment for you. A good news, basically. Everything about this person will be a good news. You'll have emotional and physical security, financial security, stability. You'll feel healthier mentally because you have come out of an environment full of stress, full of fights and arguments, and God knows, Taurus, you deserve something really beautiful. Um, Seven of Pentacles. Yes, it's going to be a dream come true. There could be some kind of celebration that you are attending, or this person, whoever you are uniting with, probably is somebody from your childhood, from your past, from the school that you attended, the college that you attended, or somebody your mom knows, like your mom's best friend's child, or somebody like that. But you guys have been friends, or you've met through friends. So there are endless possibilities, but these are a few that I could name, and I'm getting a sense that this could be a reunion with somebody in from your past. Somebody who you did not want to let go of, but due to some circumstances, some fights, some deception, things just went downhill. And now probably you're feeling better and you're, getting out of that energy. And you both have decided to tie the knot, take it to another notch. If it's not that, then probably you've met through friends. And even if it's not the case about the friends, then probably there's a lot of celebrations coming your way, marriage or something. Let's see some extra messages for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. These cards may or may not be directly related to the tarot, so take it however it resonates with you. Be assertive. Healer. You have the power to help and heal others. Amazing card, Taurus. As a sign, I know you guys are amazing, really. Look at the bigger picture. Don't let the past hold you back. A win-win outcome is forecast. Sometimes, probably this card about the past is about this reunion. Like let go of the past energies and give this union a second chance, probably. You've got the new moon in Taurus, prosperity lies ahead, and one last card. You are good enough. Taurus, you are great actually, not just good enough. Always remember that, and with that mindset, just go into your relationships, your work environment, because you are great. And if there is something wrong with you, or if you make a mistake, you know for sure that you'll try your best to rectify everything and become better at what you want to do and what you're asked to do. So Taurus, I think this is it for you. I hope this union that is coming your way is something that is exactly what you imagined. Thank you for watching, Taurus. Bye.